Sup tubers, Dirty Diesel on YouTube. Gonna show you, I just did a video on the fuel pressure. That's EGT, and this is the turbo boost gauge. I'm gonna do the turbo boost video now. Let me show you where I hooked that up. They all have blue LEDs. Okay, so they all have digital blue LEDs on my triple gauge pod. Let me open this up, show you where it's hooked to. So, it's hooked right there, alright? And that's the return line coming back from the intercooler. So you guys can tell me if you think there's a better place. Let me try and zoom in. Than that. That's the, you could buy those fittings on eBay. That's where the heat intake air heater goes, and I'm not running that, so I pulled that out and put in a vacuum line. You guys can tell me if that's where you would put it, or if there's a problem with putting it there. Pretty sure it's a very common place to put it. I think it's important, obviously, to have gauges for anything, you know, like your oil pressure, your fuel pressure, your temperatures. I would like a transmission temperature sensor. That'd be pretty cool. But the thing about the boost pressure, that lets you know if your turbo has failed or what kind of boost you're pushing. So it just gives you a basis for where your truck should be. If every day when you floor it, your truck hits 10 pounds or whatever, then if it hits 7 one day, you know you have a problem. Or if it hits 15, you know it has a problem. So sometimes it's not really about staring at a gauge. It's about having the gauge there when you need it and noticing that something is wrong with one of your pieces of equipment. So it's a real simple one. I think it was, I did these gauges a couple years ago, so I can't really remember the price, but I think it's like a $50 gauge because it's the blue LED. It's not a manual one with a hand that moves manually. It's digital. So, all right, that's about it for this video. Dirty Diesel out, and I hope you enjoy my videos, guys.